Ever dreamt of owning a Lamborghini but thought it was out of reach? Think again. Beyond the show-stopping supercars and jaw-dropping price tags, Lamborghini's used car market offers enthusiasts a hidden world of affordable icons, each carrying the brand's signature blend of luxury, speed, and engineering mastery. From the timeless Diablo to the versatile Urus, these affordable Lamborghinis let you experience the thrill of Italian automotive excellence without breaking the bank. Dive in as we explore the top budget-friendly Lamborghini models that bring unparalleled performance, legendary design, and undeniable prestige to car lovers everywhere. Number 10. Lamborghini Urus, 1972 to 1979. The Lamborghini Urus was introduced in 1972, marking Lamborghini's ambitious attempt to create a more accessible mid-engine sports car. Designed by Marcello Gandini at Bertone, the Urus's distinctive wedge shape and compact design made it stand out in the Lamborghini lineup. Initially, the Urus was powered by a 2.5-liter V8 engine that produced 220 horsepower, which combined with its lightweight structure delivered respectable performance for its class. Later models, including the Urus P300, featured an upgraded 3.0-liter V8 engine that increased output to 247 horsepower. Lamborghini engineered the Urus with independent suspension on all four wheels and a transversely mounted V8, which was innovative for its time. Although it wasn't as powerful as the Countach, the Urus offered a more approachable entry point into Lamborghini ownership. Its design and engineering laid the groundwork for later models, emphasizing a balance between performance and practicality. Number 9. Lamborghini Jalpa, 1981 to 1988. The Lamborghini Jalpa was designed to be a more affordable alternative to the Countach, while retaining the performance and style Lamborghini fans desired. Equipped with a mid-mounted 3.5-liter V8 engine, the Jalpa produced around 255 horsepower and 225 pound-foot of torque. This allowed it to reach a top speed of approximately 146 miles per hour, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6 seconds. The Jalpa's name is derived from a famous breed of fighting bull, in line with Lamborghini's tradition. With its distinct targa top, the Jalpa offered a partially open-air driving experience that was unique among its peers. The Jalpa's V8 engine was designed for easier maintenance compared to the more complex V12 engines in other models, making it more appealing for enthusiasts looking for a practical Lamborghini. Though it was eventually overshadowed by the Countach, the Jalpa remains a sought-after model, especially for collectors who appreciate its blend of tradition and performance at a more attainable price point. Number 8. Lamborghini Jurama, 1970 to 1976. The Lamborghini Jurama was introduced as a successor to the Islero, designed to meet U.S. safety and emissions standards. Featuring a robust 3.9-liter V12 engine, the Jurama could produce around 350 horsepower, achieving speeds exceeding 150 miles per hour. The model name is a nod to the Jurama bullfighting region in Spain, underscoring Lamborghini's connection to the world of bulls. With its unique design, combining elements of the Espada and the Islero, the Jurama was both powerful and practical. Inside, the Jurama featured luxurious leather interiors and wooden trim, providing a comfortable experience that balanced elegance with performance. Although not as widely recognized as other models, the Jurama's design has gained appreciation over time, valued for its distinctive style and rarity. With only 328 units produced, the Jurama is a rare gem, especially cherished by collectors who value its unique place in Lamborghini's lineup. Number 7. Lamborghini Espada, 1968 to 1978. The Lamborghini Espada was one of the most groundbreaking models of its era, offering a unique combination of performance and practicality. With seating for 4, the Espada became the first Lamborghini capable of transporting multiple passengers comfortably. Powered by a 4.0-liter V12 engine that initially generated 325 horsepower, the Espada was later upgraded to offer up to 350 horsepower. Designed by Marcello Gandini at Bertone, the Espada's styling featured a long, sleek body with a unique glass rear window, setting it apart from traditional sports cars. Its luxurious interior included leather seats, wood accents, and ample legroom, making it one of the few high-performance cars suitable for longer drives. The Espada's advanced engineering included independent suspension and disc brakes on all four wheels, showcasing Lamborghini's commitment to innovation. Number 6. Lamborghini Gallardo, 2004. Introduced in 2004, the Lamborghini Gallardo quickly became one of the brand's most successful models, selling over 14,000 units during its production run. Named after a famous breed of fighting bulls, the Gallardo featured a 5.0-liter V10 engine that delivered 500 horsepower, allowing it to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Its lightweight aluminum frame and advanced aerodynamics contributed to impressive handling and performance. Lamborghini offered both manual and automated manual E-gear transmission options, catering to different driving preferences. The Gallardo's design marked a shift towards a more refined and accessible Lamborghini, making it a popular choice for those new to the brand. Its angular, aggressive styling and premium interior, featuring leather and Alcantara finishes, made it a head-turner. Number 5. Lamborghini Gallardo LP 552, 2010 to 2013. The LP 552 variant of the Gallardo, produced between 2010 and 2013, was a rear-wheel drive version specifically engineered for purists seeking a raw, unfiltered driving experience. With a 5.2-liter V10 engine producing 550 horsepower, the LP 552 was able to hit 0 to 60 named after a famous breed of fighting bulls. The Gallardo featured a 5.0-liter V10 engine that delivered 500 horsepower, allowing it to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Its lightweight aluminum frame and advanced aerodynamics contributed to impressive handling and performance. Lamborghini offered both manual and automated manual E-gear transmission options, catering to different driving preferences. The Gallardo's design marked a shift towards a more refined and accessible Lamborghini, making it a popular choice for those new to the brand. Its angular, aggressive styling and premium interior, featuring leather and Alcantara finishes, made it a head-turner. Number 4. Lamborghini Huracán Evo RWD 2020. Released in 2020, the Huracán Evo RWD is a masterpiece of pure driving exhilaration, tailored for those who appreciate precision and agility. The 5.2-liter V10 engine produces 610 horsepower, while the rear-wheel drive configuration provides a direct, responsive driving experience. The Evo RWD can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.9 seconds, with top speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. With Lamborghini's PTCES, Performance Traction Control System, the Evo RWD delivers enhanced stability and control, allowing drivers to explore the car's limits safely. The model's exterior is marked by Lamborghini's signature sharp angles and aerodynamic enhancements, while the interior combines luxury with driver-focused elements, such as sport seats and a high-resolution touchscreen. Number 3. Lamborghini Urus 2020. The 2020 Lamborghini Urus redefines the luxury SUV category by blending Lamborghini's high-performance heritage with SUV practicality. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, producing 641 horsepower and 627 pound-foot of torque. This immense power propels the Urus from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the world. Lamborghini designed the Urus with a sharp, aggressive look, including large air intakes, sleek headlights, and a sloping roofline that exudes sportiness. Inside, the Urus offers a luxurious interior featuring premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, alongside advanced tech such as a dual-screen infotainment system. The Urus combines off-road capability with Lamborghini's racing DNA, appealing to those who seek versatility and performance in an everyday vehicle. Number 2. Lamborghini Diablo, 1990 to 2001. The Diablo is a legendary model in Lamborghini's history. Produced from 1990 to 2001, as the successor to the Countach. Famed for its iconic scissor doors and eye-catching design, the Diablo was equipped with a 5.7-liter V12 engine producing over 500 horsepower, allowing it to reach a top speed of 202 miles per hour. Its name, meaning devil in Spanish, reflects its fierce performance and intimidating presence. The Diablo was one of the first Lamborghinis to feature electronic fuel injection, improving both power delivery and efficiency. The Super Veloz variant, introduced in 1995, added more aggressive styling and increased performance. Collectors prize the Diablo not only for its raw power, but also for its role in shaping Lamborghini's identity in the supercar market. Number 1. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ 2020. The 2020 Aventador SVJ stands as a testament to Lamborghini's engineering prowess. Equipped with a powerful 6.5-liter V12 engine, this beast produces an impressive 760 horsepower and 531 pound-foot of torque. Able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, the SVJ combines advanced aerodynamics with race-inspired aesthetics, showcasing Lamborghini's commitment to speed and precision. With its raw power and groundbreaking design, the Aventador SVJ sets a new standard for automotive excellence. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top most affordable Lamborghini models. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, these iconic cars bring the thrill and legacy of Lamborghini to life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more incredible automotive content. See you in the next video, and happy driving!